Welcome to the quiz team. Can you guess what's inside the box by trusting your intuition? Let's get started, have fun. What's inside the box? A dice or a coin? What was inside the box? What is your intuition telling you? Coins, one coin or a diamond? The diamond. 3 options. What's inside the box? How is it going so far? The broken coin is found inside this box. The teddy bear was in the last box. Thank you for watching. We hope you had a great time. For more quizzes, challenges and games, subscribe to our channel.